Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about the fifth problem from this our exercise 2.4. Let us observe the question. When I triple a certain number and add 2, I get the same number as I do when I subtract the number from the 50. Find the number. Okay. So here we need to find out number. So let me assume that let x be our required number. Okay, if I suppose x is our required number, and what we have given, we have given that if I triple this number, triple means three times of number. For the three times of number, if I add 2, I get the same answer as I when I subtract the same number from the 50. That means if I take that three times of the number, three times of this number is equals to 3x, and what we should add, and adding 2 to it, and adding 2 to 3x, we get what we get as a same answer as a when we subtract the same number from the 50. That means the number we get it as a 50 minus x. That means 3x. For 3x, if I add 2, we get it as a 50 minus x. Now here we got an linear equation in one variable, in which we have a variable in the both sides, and here on the ILH on the RHS side we have negative variable, and transposing this negative variable to other hand of equation it becomes positive, and transposing this plus constant term to other hand it becomes a negative. From this we can write it as an 3x plus x is equals to 50 minus 2. 3x plus x is what? 4x. 4x is equals to 48. From this x is equals to 48 by 4. 4 ones are 412. From this we get a x value as an 12. Therefore, what is our required number? Our required number is 12.